Alright, today we're gonna go to the second floor of this Daiso and I'm gonna check out all the home goods like kitchen and knives. They sell knives. Check it out. It's weird, they sell plant food. 38 ml plant food. These are real plants. Yeah, that's real. Wow, 300 yen. That's not succubus. I don't know what that is. These look like just house plants. They even sell flowers. 300 yen. That's not bad. I can't have house plants because we're afraid of bringing mold to the house. Hey, they sell mixed nuts. Mixed nuts with fish sauce. Dashi. Fish stock. Ew. It's a mini burger gummy. Is that even... Oh my god. Whoa, looks pretty real. Yeah, mini burger gummy. Oh, there it is. Wow. It's colorful gummies. Actually, I don't remember ever having one. Dried pineapple. Yo, I've always wanted to try these. Dried pineapple. Dried figs. Dried strawberry. I haven't seen these before. Orange. Wow, they've got like factories everywhere. It's so cool. By the way, apparently they're giving out a Peter Rabbit dolls downstairs. This is 500 yen. It's a pan. I don't think that's Teflon. It's 20 centimeters, but you know, it's really light. It feels very light. This looks like Korean food bowl. 330 yen. It's really light. These look like those, like, not straws. These look like Japanese Nihonsei made in Japan. I think they're made out of rubber, like cooking. Heat resistant chopsticks. There you go. Interesting. So this is the second floor. They got camping goods. You know, these are cool, right? Solar panels. It's only $2 each. I want some decorated ones. They have no decoration, but they're selling it stick by stick, 200 yen. It's probably much cheaper to get them as a set. These are probably all 200 yen. These, look at these. They look like hanging solar powered garden light. They honestly look like Christmas ornaments. And yeah, but they're solar power. Fake flower for $1. What kind of flower? Hydrangea petals. That answers my question. Cooling blanket. Yo, these feel slightly cooler, like half a degree cooler. It's kind of expensive, 300 yen. Nice pad for probably a picnic or something. Yo, I use these for YouTube. Yeah, I use these, but a different one. Actually, maybe this one. These are awesome because they're usually like 900 yen on Amazon. I was thinking of getting another color these days. I have blue. You guys see, it's like gaming light. I have blue. I want to get like red or green to supplement my blue. Look at that basket for 500 yen. Daiso's getting expensive these days, guys. Daiso's known for 100 yen. All right. Now they're going to 500 yen. Smart. That's what, you know, I don't work for Daiso, but that's cool. Yo, these stools are 400. What's the new price point? It's very heavy, but also feels sturdy. Sturdy plastic, man. Pretty cool. Probably, I was just thinking it could be useful for people with pets. This is 400. Could support up to 80 grams. This is 200, right? And supports up to 50 grams, even tinier. Heavy, sturdy plastic. Little chair, probably for kids. Kids chair, 500 yen. Mini, what is that? A thermo hygrometer, whatever that is. Thermometer, that's nice. Yo, it's like little plastic, not plastic, little, what's it, foam pads. Probably for a little kids area. Yeah, I bought some of this stuff before. Cool. Ah, look at that. It's made in Japan. Little rug for your steps, probably for your dog. Little calendar with pockets. Dude, all 150 yen. Gotta be careful these days. I want to say 100 yen, but you can't be sure. Oh look, and of course, because we're in Japan, slippers. I actually felt like I got a bad deal last time. I got 300 yen slippers here. You gotta be careful, but what I didn't like was when I went to the 300 coin store and the quality was higher than Daiso. But if you get them for 200 yen, it's cheaper. All right. Oh, and this is new. This looks kind of good quality for 300 yen. It smells like poison, like, you know, poisonous foam, but whatever. Hopefully, as long as it doesn't kill me. Washable slippers. Looks like a little bit higher quality than what you get in the hotels, in Japan business hotels. That's cool. Blinged out, what's it called? Curtain tassels. Thank you, Daiso. Oh, you can get curtain tassels that look like fake pearls. Cool. Now this is what I noticed was interesting. You know, glow in the dark stickers, right? That is cool. 30 pieces for $1, 100 made in Japan. But yeah, glow in the dark. So if you ever have to find stuff, Japanese love to protect their everything. So socks, chair socks for 100 yen. It's very, very, very useful actually. Oh, it smells like poison. These all smell like poison, but I mean, you know, good stuff. Oh, sometimes if you'd like to reform your kitchen, these protect the walls and add some funky, cute design. They even have 3D tiles. Might be good. Whoa, they have metal? It feels like metal, but like in the middle is a slight small foam, but very thin metal. Yo, I use these coffee filters. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is a secret of Japan, dude. These things are what clean off like little. It's foam, but they clean off everything from rust to the coffee stains on your ceramic cups. Seriously, and rust. Pretty good at rust, but better at cleaning off the coffee stains and everything in your kitchen, especially in your kitchen. So I would get these. Once I figured out what these were, because one of my housewife students told me, I always use them to clean my kitchen. This helps clean your cups. Reaches into those really long tumblers. 200 yen wine glass, not bad for the wine connoisseur. I like these beer glasses. I like how they're so round up here and perfect shape for my Asian hands. Anyway, whoa, this one looks like a milk jug. 200 yen. Dude, they're not 100 yen anymore. Uh-oh, Daiso's feeling, or I'm feeling the inflation passed down to the consumer. Look at all these glasses, guys. There's a lot. These are interesting. It's tiny. I was thinking I could put a kabuto mushi bug in here, but or some sugar. They're cute. Everything from cumin to your salt to rolled away. 2 sides, right? Your grated side or tiny hole side and a giant hole dispenser. Soy sauce dispenser or your just soy sauce dispenser. Whoa, plastic bowls for the kids and Disney princess. Pooh, that must be a thing. Is that a collaboration? Sanrio plastic. This could be used for brushing teeth, which is what I did. I had a plastic cup, not in that design. What is this for? Maybe a cheese plate. Looks like bamboo construction. Whoa, so these are the coasters. Fake marble design, but these are the quick drying material. Apparently they used to make them out of asbestos, but I think hopefully they're not doing that anymore. Okay, these are really Japanese plates, looking plates. It's got like the wood design, but it's plastic, total plastic, for holding your cup, you know, serving your guests or your family. These look like they're a copy of a fashion brand. These are all $1, you know. I could carry this. Coffee matcha. Oh, that's a nice cup. Nice. Let's take a break. No, let's keep going. And then this might be for like the gratin. Must be a European dish, but Japanese love. 200 yen. Heavy. Probably good for your microwave toaster. So they have ovens, just oven microwaves in Japan. This is kind of cute. Little inlaid design there. This is blue. Dude, it's all like what? Tell me it's 100 yen. Oh, it also tells you the safety stuff. No gas, oven's okay, hot water's okay, thermo shock not okay. That's not bad. Pretty resistant for 100 yen. Soup in a cup. That's good stuff. All the Tupperware you need here. Jeez, all 100 yen. These are good sets, and they what? Denshi range. Let's look for that sign. It's a microwave safe. Denshi range is microwave in Japan. You have huge ones too. Like you make a week's worth of cut up, I don't know, daikon or whatever. Paper straws, that's new. Very eco-friendly. 100 pieces for 200 yen, not bad. Got trash if you ever go on a picnic or just go with your camping with your family or go with dog, gotta pick up after your dog. More soy sauce dispensers. Now in plastic. Dude, there's so much up here. A canister for your pasta. There, Japanese actually use pasta. For pretzels, I don't get it. I never seen anyone eating pretzels. But they have them. They must use them for other stuff too. Wow, look at that. This is what a Japanese kitchen looks like. Got the range. But I use these now instead of these. It's like open fire. That's IH. IH is good. Because less chance of fire. This is useful. It catches all like the fat and scum absorbing sheet. It's not scum, it's like all the fat. Yeah, well, take out all the fat. More healthier for your foods. I do that. Look at that. Plastic tumblers. Cheap and hopefully safe. Got none of those dangerous whatever carbons and stuff. But for 200 yen, makes me worry, but it can't be. Oh, they also got aluminum straws. Don't know who uses these, but interesting. Not party cups from paper to plastic. No red ones like you do in the States. They got pink straws and blue straws. What for? Dude, Coca-Cola silicone mold for what? For I can't imagine what. Valentine's Day? White Day? Don't know. Not very sure. Coke is a interesting pattern. Collaboration. Very interesting. I like this one. This is nice. Too much Coke. If I filled it all up. Coke! What the heck? Coke. Ohashi. Coke ohashi. Oh, Coke napkins. Cute Coke. It's like rice or spatula. I love the wooden ones. They don't burn or break down as like plastic ones do in the oh look, this is the gardening area. See what I'm saying? Like fake flowers and stuff for your home. Like looks like fake dry flower. These are useful. There's a kitchen area with all the sponges. I've gotten that before. Sewing, not for me, but definitely a huge area for sewing, including needles and yarns. So many. Oh, recycle. They use recycled polyester yarn. Hopefully that's true. I have these. Really recommend these. Specifically, I get these. I have like 2 or 3 of these. 300 yen. It's just a box. Pretty big. I put my YouTube gear in this. 300 yen. Pretty good stuff. And then, whoa, these are like the what, air fresheners. These are smell absorbing balls. They last for anywhere from a couple months to a few weeks, but yeah, air freshener beads. They absorb the stinky air. So these are a bathroom mat. 300 yen. Dang, everything's getting more expensive. Stuff your bathroom. These are like little gel things you put in your toilet bowl. Keeps it clean and from growing mold. Tablets. So I use that. Tablets for your toilet. Brushes. Everything here at the dollar store, man. So whenever I moved in the past, I will come here first after moving and just buy like $30 worth of stuff. Look at that. It's like what's it called? This is laundry nets to protect your delicates in the laundry and the dryer. Even though I don't use dryers as much foldable laundry bag, just like in the college. Yeah, 200 yen. Is that 200? Did I see 20? It might be 100 yen. Anyway, this is a good deal. So I've seen them sold at Walmart for like $7 or something. This has been cute. It's Baymax and Pooh set of die cut laundry wet net. So yeah, again for your delicates, but yeah, very smart for anywhere for this, like the shirts to delicate to, oh my god, they've got a Mickey Mouse laundry. I bet some fans want these. Yeah, some fans really want these. Got the die cut Toy Story alien ones. They're so cool. Actually, I kind of want these, but I only use like one or two, and these are the ones I use, so easier. But jumbo size, different size holes. Yep. So this is TokyoPaul with another. Oh, these are very useful too. These are the korokoro. That's sound of the lint roller. They use it everywhere from the floor to your shirt to your pet. But yeah, again for 110, and including the protector and refills all over. So these are what they call the korokoro. Yeah, see, on the floor, carpet, for your shirt. I use it for my suit shirts too. So yeah, that's TokyoPaul and my tour of the second floor. Thanks guys.